Related keywords usage is one of the most important factors for ranking a page. That is why Outranking built an awesome feature around using, mapping, and optimizing content with related keywords data. Related Keywords tab shows all the related keywords and the cluster around the focus keyword you're trying to rank for. You can search for a keyword or cluster by typing in a word in the search bar. If you use the related keywords in your content, it will show a C icon. If you have used the keywords in strong tag or any H tags, it will show a green check mark indicating that the keyword has been emphasized in the content. You can also click on the keyword to see the usage of the keyword in the editor. The usage of the keyword is highlighted in yellow. If you are using instructions to create the content, Outranking will suggest what keywords to use and where to use them based on the SERP analysis from ranking web pages. There are also some advanced features to let you add more keywords from external sources or by entering another focus keyword and fetching clusters related to that. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.